this on. Oh my gosh. What's up mga kalakwatsa? Welcome back to another hotel staycation vlog. And this time, nandito po kami sa Sheraton Hotel. This is the bathroom. Hi. So. Meron silang body lotion, shower cup, dental kit, soap. Yeah, so that's it. Merong shampoo and bath gel. Meron silang vault and may iron. Merong blower. This is their closet. I have this. May tubig. And may connecting room yata sa kabila. May sanitizer. Dada. Hello guys! Nandito po kami ngayon sa pool ng Sheraton Hotel. Kasama natin silang dalawa. Yes! Ay, ano kami sa kanilang... Tsaka meron silang gym. Yan. So now we're heading to the jacuzzi. It's kind of private. They are not allowing more people inside. Wow! Hi po, ate.
Hello! Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Wow! See? Ilang taon ka na dito, te?
Nung pre-opening na?
Marites.
2016, 4 years.
Oh. So guys, ito na po yung indoor pool nila. Galing lang kasi limit nila ang mga pumapasok dito sa loob. Morning mga kalakwatsa. It's our second day here in Sheraton Hotel and pababa na po kami kasi magbe-breakfast. So, let's see. Bacon, mushroom, and baked beans. So, yun siya guys. Sige, padala. Can I have this one? These are the breakfast that they serve. Guys, this is what I got for breakfast.
Ayun pa nag-reply yung mga birds na inano ko.
This one is turkey sausage, bacon sausage, mushroom, vegetable noodles, and I forgot what it's called, but they said it's egg. Tsaka ito, yan. My milk tea.